Hello, we are here highlighting the construction of the new Laing Middle School. Off of Hamlin Road, you can see the 20-acre shared campus of Jenny Moore Elementary and Laing Middle School. The 152,000 square foot facility is designed to hold 1,200 students. Today, crews are working hard to complete the school and have it open in August of 2015. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow an abundance of natural light to shine into the classrooms. These windows can be seen throughout the school. Beautiful blockwork covers the front office, and on the second floor, the large library. Walking inside the front door and looking down the halls, we can find workers running wires, hanging HVAC ductwork, and installing pipe. Special thought went into the design of Laing to make the most of natural light, especially in the larger spaces. Inside the cafeteria, windows line the top of the room and light pours in. Smaller skylights are used to help brighten up the band and chorus rooms. Inside the gym, hardwood flooring is laid out and ready to be installed, and the large windows let in plenty of light, saving on energy costs. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at Charleston County School District's new Laing Middle School.